Hello everyone! Now I can really say that the project has been finalized. This is a project I've been working on for Mademoiselle Studio. It's a beauty place. So you're very welcome to come always here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we have done here. I have shared a video with you at the very beginning. The space was totally empty. We had gray floors, like no walls, no nothing. So we worked on dividing the space. We got two separate rooms, and our design has focused on this main area. For here, I was paying attention a lot to the color palette, just following my client's needs and her preferences and her style. So we said we would go for wooden textures and very natural, beautiful look, very fresh, light colored, and she wanted a space where you feel invited. So we went for all this. As you can see, I have mixed the textures and also went for different sort of shapes as well. You can see the lamp. We have the shelves here in wood, also the floors, and we gave a touch of light colors, which is we mixed it with white, and we went also for a very light tone in the wall color.